Wouldn't you like to try a cooking oil that is healthy and long-lasting with minimal foaming? We would like to introduce you to our SK Premium Tempura Oil. This oil doesn't become oxidized easily, thus keeps its freshness longer. To properly make tempura and karaage, fresh oil is a must. The compound that gradually increases when oil becomes oxidized is called polar compound. There are three main reasons why the polar compound increases. The increase of free fatty acids caused by moisture or liquid from the frying product, from being vulnerable to oxygen too long, increasing viscosity, from heating the oil, increase of aroma compound leading to bad smell. The measurement of polar compound in the oil is referred to as TPM%, and when the oil exceeds 24 to 25% TPM, it is recommended to be replaced. From looking at the results of the TPM% graph, you can see that our oil takes much longer to reach the point of replacement compared to soybean oil and rice bran oil. With the help of our professional oil manufacturer, we have developed long-lasting, less foamy oil that will reduce the necessity for our customer to replace the oil while keeping its freshness. Japan, being one of the top R&D countries for oil in the world, has long been utilizing the same product with the same mechanism in the market. Our SK Premium Oil is high-quality oil that is eco-friendly and cost-friendly. On top of that, our oil has various health components. It includes omega-9, which reduces bad cholesterol, omega-6, an essential fatty acid, phytosterol, which lowers blood cholesterol, and lastly, vitamin E. Long-lasting, minimal foaming, and healthy. Our SK Premium Tempura Oil is all you need.